Greetings, dear friends. Thank you for joining me on my channel. In this exclusive episode, we'll be crafting the red velvet marble cake. It surpasses the traditional red velvet cake by presenting a medley of flavors. Not only is it visually appealing, but it also delights the taste buds. The crumb is luxuriously soft and moist, and the flavor profiles in both the chocolate version and this red velvet marble cake are truly exceptional. So, my friends, without further delay, let's embark on the journey of creating this delectable cake together. Beat together the butter, sugar, and eggs until the mixture lightens in color and achieves a fluffy consistency. You can use either an electric mixer or a whisk to accomplish this, ensuring that the batter thickens and detaches from the sides of the ball. Next, incorporate the flour, along with the baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Use a spatula to gently blend these ingredients until well combined. Add in milk and oil and blend it well together. In a separate medium-sized mixing bowl, beat 2 to 3 egg whites with an electric mixer until stiff peaks form. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and fold it in thoroughly. Add the beaten egg into the batter and mix it well. Divide the batter into 3 portions. Mix curd, vanilla extract, cocoa powder, and red food coloring gel into each portion separately, ensuring a thorough mix. Transfer each batter variation into a piping bag equipped with a thick round tip in diameter. Pipe a thick line of vanilla batter along the center of the pan's base, alternating until all the batter is used. Precise alignment is crucial to achieve the desired zebra effect. Gently tap the cake pan on the counter a few times to reduce air bubbles and ensure an even batter level. Gently swirl with a skewer to marble the cake. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center emerges clean. Let the cake cool in the pan for 15 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Carefully invert the cake to release it from the pan and remove the parchment paper. Dear friends, thank you for tuning in, and I trust you relished this red velvet marble cake. Not only is it delicious, but it's also incredibly visually appealing. Crowned with a delectable cream cheese frosting that pairs exceptionally well with red velvet, this cake boasts a stunning zebra-style marbling technique that is both gorgeous and simple to achieve. With its vibrant red color and intricate patterns, it makes for the perfect cake to celebrate Valentine's Day. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to my channel for more mouth-watering recipes. I look forward to returning soon with another tantalizing creation. Until then, take care and bye for now.